Man, this one looks scary. Like, look at this crap. Why it look like this? Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. Yeah, so for this week's vlog video, I'm making a walk down at the South Florida Science Museum, guys. So if this is the first time visiting my YouTube channel and you love to see more vlogs like this, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and leave a comment below so I can know what y'all thinking. So alright guys, we're going on a tour on the outside right now. I can see what I'm going outside. So basically, as y'all can see, it's a very nice environment. You know, it's a very beautiful place, well kept. You know, and it's just a little spin on the outside, so I can see what I'm going. But yeah man, we're going on a tour of the dinosaur them right now. Okay, I have a few dinosaur sculptures outside, so I'm making to see what I'm going. So alright guys, look on that one here. Yeah, biggest lizard this me ever seen in my life. I never knew a green lizard get so big, you know. Jesus. But anyways, the right name for that one here is called the Spinosaurus or Spinosaurus, you know. Any which way they pronounce it, I don't know. But anyways, said this thing actually they live in North Africa during the Cretaceous period. Alright, the Spinosaurus was among the largest of all known carnivorous dinosaurs, growing up to 60 feet in length and 20 tons in weight. The name of the Spinosaurus means spine lizard due to the tall natural spine growing on its back vertebrae. Okay, I guess that makes a little sense, because you can't see me right there, so you can see the, you know, the spine actually grow out time back, so I guess that's why they give him that name there. But anyways, moving on. Alright guys, you know, so this is actually one of my favorite dinosaurs for some reason. They used to have this Disney movie with, you know, a dinosaur like this, and they used to call him Long Neck. Don't sure that movie the name, but you know, it was one of them Disney movie there, one of them cartoons there. You know, back in the days when Disney used to have. But yeah, man, the right name for him are the Brachiosaurus. Not sure me I pronounce this right, you know, but yeah, one of my favorite looking dinosaurs. You know, because for some reason, and it gone up. It kind of look like a giraffe, you know, in a way. But I guess it's not a giraffe, because I guess giraffe never used to get so big. And probably related to the giraffe, to the giraffe uncle. Anyways, moving on. So alright guys, this is another dinosaur. You know, this one is called the Triceratops or Triceratop. Yeah man, another interesting one. That one is very popular as well. I always see them in the movies and all of that. You know, them said this one lived 86 million years ago. I saw him all. And yeah, them said this one is a herbivore. You know, basically a herbivore. So it's an animal who actually, you know, don't eat meat, he only eat plants and all of that. He's a vegetarian people. Yeah, this is basically a better model of the one I just showed you a while ago. You know, this one actually look more realistic. Yeah, the one when I show you not too long ago, kinda. You know, them never do a good job on that one, but that one look way more realistic. And this is actually how we usually see them on TV and stuff. So alright guys, see the ugliest one when they have so far. Yeah man, anybody will tell you say you look like this man or this thing. Yeah, that one actually one of the most popular one them. You know, if you watch Jurassic Park and all of that, you know, this one I think they call him T-Rex. You know, that's the short name for him. I will look on him real quick where the right name is. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Alright. At least me know one of them. I never know what the T stand for, but me get the Rex part. But yeah, man. The Tyrannosaurus Rex. It mean king of the tyrant lizard. Alright. That's pretty cool. But yeah, man. He must be the king, cause trust me, that one is ugly, man. I'm afraid of him too. I have a whole heap of musicians in my family now, so let me see how good maybe. Alright, I'm a new song that people. Now look how it fit. Look how it fit on iTunes and Spotify and YouTube, yeah man. That one the shot. Sorry guys, I'm make a walk, go inside, you know. So I can't see what's on the inside. For all of the people who actually know me, they know it's a Batman I'm my favorite, you know. Yeah man, Batman there protect me from all of them dinosaurs the way you see outside, you know. No Superman have to be all dramatic and look out in a space and all of that. But yeah man, I guess if you want in a trouble you call Superman on the phone the right, so you know. Long time phone listening to people. Yeah man. I mean, I no credit it still, so I can't use that one. You have to have credit. Hey, no Jamaican no love buy credit already. We're gonna take a look at the aquarium part now. And look at these fishes right here, guys. Ain't this pretty cool? Look at this, man. So surreal, right? Upon that one, and just a hiding this, so like you know, want to come out. In camera shy. But I think the most interesting fish I have so far down here, right? So, man, this one looks scary. Like, look at this crab. Why look like this? I look on him face. Ain't this crazy, yo? Yeah, this is the nurse shark, guys. Ain't this cool? I guess he might heal up in Parry right there, so. But in Parry look like he might sleep, so I'm but yeah, man. What do I want to name though? Back to you. This is the most interesting one I see so far. Like, yo, what do I want to name? I guess this same picture right here, so. You know, so. Name the porcupine puffer. Alright. Alright, the shark them actually move. Yeah, this one love the camera, cause I'm just all up in the camera. Sorry guys. I recognize the one right there, so. Oh, look at this one right here, man. Look on him face. Ain't this cool? Yo, I love look on the fishes, man. And they're so beautiful. But yeah. Hey guys, you recognize the blue one, yeah? I cannot move too fast still. If you never watch Finding Nemo, and when I think that one named Dory, I saw them call him in Finding Nemo. But yeah, man. This one is pretty cool as well. So alright guys, we're gonna look on some of the animals that you would find in the Florida Everglades. So this one right here, the most famous one, the Florida panther. If you all ever come to Florida, you always hear about the Florida panthers. You know, never really bug up in a one, thank God. But yup, yeah, man, this is a pretty cool animal. You always hear about this. I think it's an endangered species as well. You know, they're protected. Can't do them nothing if you see them. I see we got a prison. But anyways, another thing we're famous for alligators. Yup. Our two favorite mascots them over here are the alligator and the panther. If you all ever look up the college names, you always hear about panthers and gators and all of that. But yeah, anyways, this one right here, I ain't sure what the hell it is. It kinda look like a rat. I see if we can find a name real quick. Alright. Okay. It's the North American river otter, okay? Yeah, my mind there tell me say it was an otter still, but for some reason the Jamaican in me I say a rat. Alright guys, I'm gonna go through this real quick. It says the journey through the human brain. I read Spanish, so I don't know the rest of that I say. But anyways, I think it's kind of cool though guys. This is actually a hologram. Can't believe that. How cool is this? Oh, look at this. It's a hologram guys. Basically this is what the human brain look like, connected to the spinal cord.
Build wonders like the pyramids. And land on the moon. The answer.
So I guess this is the astronaut exhibit. You know, they have a lot of things about outer space and all of that. You know, they have the Mars rock right there, so an example of the Mars rock. You see this piece of rock right here, so actually come from Mars. Ain't that cool? Mars rock. And they have the moon rock right here, so. Them say this piece of rock actually come from the moon. Alright. I wonder if I lie them at it. Oh, they didn't get the rock there. From the moon that come from. I don't believe them, you know. I wonder if Neil Armstrong this. Tell me if I'm people, I don't know what it look like. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment below so I can know what you are thinking. Alright.
Rush-Dem Rushawn.